Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Utsana. Today we are at Caesar Palace, Las Vegas. I want to show you a premium 2-queen bedroom at the Augustus Tower. Spacious bathroom with shower and jet bathtub. Double vanity sink with all toiletries. Separate toilet. The closet had plenty of hangers, iron board and iron. Two king-size bed with plenty of pillows. Full bar with just a little pricey than the normal price. A nice sofa set and a strip view. We can watch a Bellagio fountain right here. If you want to see a whole show of Bellagio fountain, I do have the clip for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.